TTRS Launch Day. We're sharing our launch day best practices. 1. Dress up. This is the first step in allowing the children to feel like rock stars for the day. Did we say children? Obviously we mean staff too. Anyone and everyone can get involved with dressing up. Children, staff, parents, even the PTA. 2. Hold an epic assembly. Start the day with an energetic punch and hold an assembly to remember. If you're launching for the very first time, our launch PowerPoint is perfect for explaining all the important bits. 3. Competition crazy. To muster up that competitive spirit, get children to play against their classmates in arena. Click here to spectate and see the scores update live. The kids love it. 4. Rewards and awards. Celebrating successes is always important, but receiving your Rock Status certificate whilst dressed as Sir Rod Stewart, there's no greater honour. 5. Dashing displays. Dazzle your class with an all singing and all dancing classroom display with our display pack. You can access this under Downloads and then Displays. Read more on how to create boss displays with Entourage member Jacob Woolcock. The link is in the description. So, there you have it, everything you need for rocking a good launch. Time to sharpen the eyeliner and tune the guitar. Have fun.